PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides reliable commercial HVAC services in Reading, PA, helping businesses maintain clean, efficient, and high-performing ventilation systems. Our expert team specializes in air duct cleaning, system maintenance, and indoor air quality solutions tailored to meet the demands of commercial properties. If you have any questions, please contact our commercial HVAC service. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How often should commercial air ducts be cleaned? It's recommended to clean commercial air ducts every 3 to 5 years, or more frequently depending on usage, building size, and indoor air quality needs. How do I know if my commercial HVAC system needs cleaning? Signs include visible dust buildup, poor airflow, unpleasant odors, increased energy bills, or frequent HVAC issues. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street No. 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.